Thursday. It's Ashley Chandler with the Thurston County Chamber of Commerce. So I have an exciting event that I'm going to be attending tomorrow night, and you still have time to join us. It's going to be a cider tasting at the Cider Barrel, and it's sponsored by David Bader from Country Financial. I have the tasting box that was delivered to my door, and we're going to go through and see what's inside. Awesome. So first we have a variety pack of cider from the Cider Barrel. All different kinds. Got some Woolly Boys, Two Towns Cider House, Soundbite Hard Cider, and then, let's see, Bellingham Cider Company. That's cool. So we're going to get all those tastes. Got some classic koozies. Awesome. Always needed. We got some coasters, stickers. Those are fun. Bottle opener. Hey, always need one of those. And then this green pretty box from Country Financial. Let's see. Ooh. Whoa. Maybe the box is smarter than I am. Okay, awesome. Oh, pretty. Very nice. Oh, beautiful beer glass. Some information for later. That's a nice bottle opener. Cool Country Financial bottle opener. And of course the classic koozie. Awesome. So thank you so much to the Cider Barrel. I look forward to tomorrow evening, and to David Bader of Country Financial for the awesome delivery. Have a great night. Join us.